Hello aspirant, welcome to INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the taking geography optional, how it is important. What are the pros and cons of the taking geography optional subject? If you enjoy reading about geography map side, you can take this option. It is very much useful for your preparation. Before you start, focus on your preparation. Many pros to taking the geography optional. First of all, the first pro is mainly it's significant and also it's overlap with the GS paper. Mainly it overlap with the GS paper 1, that is a geography and disaster management, and the GS paper 2 in accordance with the environment, resources, the agriculture. For the prelims it's map based questions and environment. For the essay it's you completely covering the development area, environment area, and also the climate topic. So it's very much overlap with your GS paper. So it's very much significant point in that. And also there is a scientific and logical subject because it is a science background student. We can relate easily all the concept and you can study very well. And also it's very much less subjective. It's more diagrams, flow chart. If you are very much interested in the geographical line, then you can take this subject. And also there's a many resource available. So availability of resource, plenty of books, notes, toppers, strategies available for you. And also there's a standard books also available for the NCRTs. So these are the very much reliable resources for you. And we are also providing all the main optional books. And also for the scoring is very much potential because the diagrams, more maps will give you the more scores, and flowcharts help to boost your marks. And also there is a structured and visual answer that very much rewarded for the subject. And also there is a static and dynamic mix that is very much important for you because paper 1 is largely static, that is a physical geography, and for the paper 2 which includes the current affairs, that is a geopolitics, environment, this is very much a dynamic area. So it's compared to both static and dynamic view, it will develop your static and dynamic view. And also it is very much useful in daily life and also careers to understand the climate change, urbanization, agriculture, the relevant to the administrator. So this subject have the more pros and also having the cons. But that is, first of all, it's a bulky syllabus. Everybody saying it's a very vast syllabus. The geomorphology, climatology, human geography, Indian geography. So and also we need to cover the current affairs. So this will consume more time. The time management and multiple revisions is required. So it will definitely covering this subject in a year is a little bit difficult. And also there's a conceptual depth is required because of the physical geography concepts can be technical. That is a plate tectonic, atmosphere, circulation. You have to understand the concept, then only you can able to derive the concept. And also there is a required the clarity to write well in the exam, that is very much important. So you have clarity, then only you can reproduce the answer. So that is a main important cons about geography. And also there is a competition is high because many students, because of popular subjects, so everybody will want to take the geography optional. So there is a stiff competition and also many aspirants choose geography. And there is a many differentiation key is required. And there is a dynamic paper 2, that is also very much constant updating with the news or geopolitics and whatever the water issues, climate changes, whatever the agendas done. So you need to more concentrate more on that. And also it's a purely static. Some believe geography is static but still have the current examples and contemporary cases studies will give you the high marks. So you have to compare both on a static view and also the dynamic view. That is definitely difficult for you. And also there is a answer writing practice is critical because knowledge without paper answer structure scores, it can dip. So you have the maps, you have to need to know the maps, diagrams. So it will be very much useful for your answer writing practice. And you must included all this in your geography answer sheet. So that is the main cons about this because of the bulky syllabus that require the depth knowledge. And also there is a high competition. These are the main drawbacks of the taking geography optional. And if you enjoy understanding how the world works, visual learning, and how to interest in physics and human landscape, geography is a powerful option. So you have to take the geography option. It supports you for your both prelims and mains. It need for the map practice and regular revision because of the volume. So but you have very much interest in the map, then you can go for it. Use diagrams liberally and stand out. Thank you so much.